Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to unblock someone on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Go to your profile. Tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. Click on the Privacy option. Scroll down until you find the blocked accounts and tap on it. Now, tap on the Unblock button at the side of the user you want to unblock. And you will unblock the users on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to unblock someone on TikTok. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.